Artificial intelligence is not coming for every job overnight. It is reshaping which tasks get automated, augmented, or suddenly worth more. Break work into tasks, not titles. Routine data entry, scheduling, and first draft writing are vulnerable. Judgment, trust, and craft are stickier. Most near-term change is augmentation. Nurses, lawyers, and designers use co-pilots to move faster while staying accountable for the final call. Demand rises for people who can frame problems, verify outputs, and translate between business needs and machine capability. Customer support, coding, marketing, and logistics are transforming first. Trades, bedside care, and hands-on repair still need human presence. Workers who learn the tools, document their expertise, and double down on human strengths compound their leverage instead of losing it. The future of work is hybrid intelligence. Your job is less about competing with machines and more about directing them well.